Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do split payment on Uber. First off, here's a question that we have to ask ourselves. Is split fare still available? No. The in-app split fare feature has been removed as of July 2025 and is not present in the latest Uber mobile versions. Uber began temporarily removing the split fare feature in April 2022, stating it was reworking the functionality with plans to launch a new version later. As of January 2025, multiple users report the split fare button is missing entirely from their app, even when logged in on Android and iOS devices. You cannot split fares within the Uber app because the feature has been discontinued indefinitely. Any previous references to split fare in the menu or payment settings will no longer appear. This is currently no alternative in-app method provided by Uber to carry out cost splitting. But there is something you must note. The split fare feature is actually unavailable for certain vehicle options, including share. So fares cannot be split after the trips end and your payment method has been charged. Okay, so in some regions, splitting fare is permitted, and in other regions, splitting fare is not permitted. But if you're within the region where splitting fare is permitted, then this is what you should do. Request a ride. And how do you do that? Initiate a ride request as usual within your Uber app. Just head over to this tab that says, where are you going? Click on it and enter your destination. So pick up, you're going to have to choose this if you need pick up now or you just want to schedule for later. Then where to, you just have to add that. And once you're done, just follow through with the prompt to initiate a ride request. Then once the ride is requested, just swipe up from the bottom of the app and tap on your payment method. Select the split fare option. Enter the names or phone numbers of the other people in the ride who should share the cost. The other riders will receive a notification and must accept the split fare request within their Uber app for the split to be finalized. If accepted, the fare will be divided and each rider will be charged their portion. So that is pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.